we'll try to make ice cream, homemade ice cream instead of peach. I have only one piece of peach. You see this one, and two, what you call this, two size, medium size of mango. So I remove already the meat. Now I have to blend this one, and these are the ingredients: cream, and you can use this choco chips, but I don't have available, so I use this toasted desiccated coconut, and condensed milk, 1 cup condensed milk. Now we have to put this one in blender, then we have to blend it. Now we can put now this one here in bowl. We have to remove all and mix this one. Wait, I have to remove all this. Also condensed milk here. Now we have to mix by spoon. I no more grind this one. No problem, I will cut this one in small pieces. Now we have to add now this blended peach and mix condensed milk here. So I mix already this one, this blended mango. Now we have to put this one in fridge. We'll see after 2 hours if it's very smooth or what. This is my first time to make. I make experiment and I watch this in YouTube. Let's see if I can make also successful. But I'm sure can be also. So I will put now this one in fridge. Then after 2 hours I will check. So this one only for 2 mangoes, two medium size mango. So if you want more to make, so you can add more mangoes. But I don't have mangoes, only 2 medium size. Now you can add any kind of toppings, choco chips, broken, but I don't have. So I use this toasted desiccated coconut. I use this one for my latik in Biko. Or you can use also ground peanuts or cashew or anything you want, or what you call more walnuts. So I use this one, it's no problem. Now we have to cover now and put now in fridge and leave for 2 hours. So after 2 hours we'll check what is the result. Ito na yung ice cream. Ayan, check natin kung ano masarap. Ayan. Homemade ice cream. Tikman natin ang ice cream. Sarap. Masarap. Parang ice cream na din. Masarap yung toast desiccated coconut. Ayan, kumuha ako uli. Na-melt na oh. Masarap. Parang na din, ice cream. Ayan, ubos na ang ice cream. Masarap. Madali lang palang gumawa ng ice cream. Homemade ice cream. So, nakalibre na kaysa pa bibili. Mahal naman ang ice cream. Nandito pa naman ako sa sa village. So, mas maganda na lang yung gumawa. Basta may available lang na ingredients. 2 mangoes lang yung aking grinain ito dito at saka 1 piece na peach. Masarap din pala, masarap. Masarap ang ice cream na homemade. Parang na din, parang commercial na din.